See, what we are trying to do here is, actually we had some spare time and some spare land here where nothing is being grown as of now, and the labor's availability is not there. That's why the weeding is not done. So you can see a lot of weed here. So what I'm trying to do here is, like, simply along the drip line I'm just weeding. So this is called no tilling operation. So we don't believe in tilling here. We don't plow. So I'm just removing this weed and throwing it side. That becomes mulch. You can see the brinjal plantation here, brinjal plants. You see, all these are brinjal plants, and this becomes mulch for that. And then Deepa is sowing the seeds behind me. So I'm not digging at all. Whatever the pit is made out of weeding, out of removing the weed here like this, that itself is enough. That acts as a pit for the seeds. You can see that. You see, this much of weed is there. It's Parthenium weed. You can see the amount of weed that is grown here. So the moment I pluck this, there's a fertile soil beneath it. Can you zoom it? See here. You see the soil here. So fertile, no tilling is required. So no plowing, no heavy machinery. Just pluck this. Just zoom it here. So see, if I just pluck it, it is anyway moist and it comes easily here. So if I pluck it, just have to drag a line with the sickle and sow it. So easy. And just sow this here. Can you sow here? Just drag a line like this with the sickle. Yeah. Just thinly spread it. Spread it thin. Yes. So we are sowing cucumber. So let's see what happens. If nothing happens by this experiment, it is not an experiment, many people do this. This exercise, I would say, nothing happens also, then two operations we are anyway doing. We are not tilling, and we are mulching by weeding. So 3 operations are happening anyway. And out of 100 seeds, even if we get 2-3 creepers, then that is sufficient for us. But we hope to get more out of this because the land is very fertile now. So this is about natural farming. So end of the day, this is work that has been carried out here. Full weeding is done. Looks clean now in this line, and in this line, in both rows, there are brinjal, and here there you can see the mulching. Good work done at the end of the day. Unfortunately, it started raining now. You can see the first result. Awesome. So hopefully this brings cheer to farmers' life.